Alright, let's have a look at this joint. As you can see, a bit out there. And it's just a bit shocking, but it's just gone through, I think. So that's some wood. Right. Okay. Sounds okay. It's fine, yeah. That's good. So that'll go with some bits of blackwood. Check out Z, which is great. Sweet, look at that. It's awesome. Huh. Just what the doctor ordered. How cool is that, eh? Just fill out these holes with the broken dreams of others. Need a thinner one. As you wish. Smooth and tough. Oh. Huh? Oh, that's good to handle. Oh, alright. It's pretty cool. What? How's going on there? Cool. By the way. It's a gold welding. Why let's draw to stand it off, huh? See how it looks like in there. How welded your gold. Nice. Look at that. It's pretty cool. It's not thin enough. I wonder if we've got any thinner bits. That's pretty thin. Probably not. Dropping bits. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah. Don't you come out? You're perfect. Alright. Picking up with the wrong hand, bro. See how it rolls. I hope you can see it. Nope, you're going downhill. Oh, it's rolling away. Look at that. It's bizarre. What the hell was that? That's just crazy. That is weird as hell. It's like hydrophobic of the gap. Come on, go in the gap. The gold's making it hydrophobic. It's crazy. What do we go? Well, that doesn't look good. Crazy. I'm saying like it. It's just weird. This is wild. Here's what it is. We'll let that dry, then we'll go back to the other one. We'll see what happens. Crazy. It's pretty bloody messy. Well, we'll show you the final result in the installation of the kicker. But anyway, that's just a short one on attempting to clean up a hideous whale tail, which is an oversized dovetail in my opinion. Tails of whales. Anyway, I've got it, oh, maybe a bit more seeing there, but it's I mean, there's still a little bit to set off that, so I don't know, I think it still looks better than gaps anyway.